But otherwise, you see, those fly and birds and animals, all these survived with a sense of taking care. Firstly, their own children, their own community. So these nothing to do with religion, biological factor, nature. So then I usually feel and also express all religion of human being. So all human beings' religion, you see, talking about best human quality, that is human love. So all major religious tradition, in spite different place, different time, different situation, and eventually different philosophical view, but all carry same message of love. All religion. So therefore, we human nature is a more compassionate nature. Now in the past, we too much pay attention about material or technology, these things. Now, I feel we human being, generally speaking, we human being becoming more mature. So now we pay more attention, including scientists now paying more attention about our inner value, inner peace. So now I have strong view in our existing education system must include education about our inner world. Besides, you see, education about our physical condition, including our brain, then mind, emotion should include part of our education, because emotion very important in our life. The positive emotion give us inner peace, inner strength. Destructive emotion is to destroy our inner peace, and eventually our physical health also destroy by too much anger, too much fear. These are destructive emotion. So now, time come, we have to pay more attention about our mind, about our emotion. So this should include in education about health. So these description about emotion should not consider a part of religion, but simply academic subject and related with our physical health. Mental health, more peaceful mind, peaceful emotion, automatically, you see, the immune system, our body, and including blood pressure, all become very normal. Too much anxiety, too much anger, too much fear, then the blood pressure increase, and all sort of physical normal element then become abnormal. So therefore, these knowledge should take as a academic subject the physical health, like that. We too much, and we very much sort of taking care about hygiene of physical. Now we should include hygiene of emotion. That's very important. That also, according to Indian tradition, secular way, and not related with religion, whether religious-minded or even anti-religion. That's okay. That's private business. But as a human being, you see, we need some knowledge about our system of our emotion, then try to, try to get peace of mind like that. So now, young people, young student, you are beginning, so I think start real life. When you are young, mother take care, not much problem. Then join school, even sort of college, these things, there's not much sort of pay attention about our inner peace. So materialistic sort of education, you see, bring us more anxiety or sense of competition, like that. So the education without these inner quality, then better education, more anxiety, more frustration. So now, in our education, should include education about our inner peace, inner mind, inner world. So now, we, because of the 21st century, I think with help of scientists, particularly scientists about the brain, with their help in education field, we should include education about how to build inner peace. And through individual inner peace, then peace, community, and then eventually whole humanity. You see, through that kind of education, then we really can develop peaceful world. So, as I mentioned earlier, the previous century, we pay much attention about the weapon, these things. Now, we should pay more attention about our inner peace so that genuine world peace can achieve. So my number one commitment is I'm a human being. I also have all this emotion. So with clear sort of, as a recognize some of the emotion are very destructive, some of the emotion are very, very good. So with that knowledge, you see, trying to reduce destructive emotion and increase constructive emotion.